Aloha, beautiful people! So happy Monday, everyone! And once again, this is Teacher Zai in Hawaii. So for today's video, we're going to be answering a quick question from one of our commenters. Nag-SPED major ka ba or kumuha ka ba ng SPED unit? So my answer is no. Actually, during the process of my application, they are advising teachers like me who don't have special education units or who are not major in SPED to get some units of special educations. But kumapit lang po ako sa aking paniniwala na makukuha po ako kahit na wala pa akong special education units. Kasi nga po, the probability of getting hired sa school na in-applyan mo is actually high kung ikaw po ay SPED majors or if you have special education units. So, I didn't take the risk of getting special education units because aside from walang pera, limited ang budget sa pag-apply, kaya yan, hindi na rin ako nag-take ng risk para kumuha ng special education units. And luckily, when I was invited to an interview with the district representative from Hawaii Public Schools, thank God I aced that interview. That is why I got hired as an English